So the first thing I did was to part the hair into 4 sections. I already did the left side of her hair, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the right hand side. But what I did was the first section that I parted out on her hair, I decided on a length, and each time I part a different section, I would ensure that the length was the same all throughout her hair. So you want to make sure that you do that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it on the right side of her hair. You want to make sure that the hair is fully wet. So as you can see, each time I'm going over the hair with a spray bottle, it has water in it just to ensure that the hair stays wet when I am cutting. You want to ensure that you're parting out thin parts because you want to ensure that you have the precise one length that we're going for with this look. Parting out big sections will not give you that. So just ensure that you're parting out thin layers each time. You want to make sure that the length is even on both sides. So as you can see, I am going back over, ensuring that it is very straight, especially for the back. For the front section, you're going to be parting out sections and then bringing it over the back section, and then you're just going to cut it, and this ensures that you still get that one length throughout the hair. Now I'm doing a vertical part, and I'm going to be cutting the hair, ensuring that it is that one same length throughout the hair. So you're going to be getting the back section and the front section together, ensuring that it is one length, and you just cut the hair. Now I'm just brushing the hair down because I'm going to be doing a slight cut going down, and then that's it. This is the result, guys, and I want to say it looks amazing. I love how our hair came out. It looks amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share around the video, guys. Share around. Don't forget to subscribe. and I'll post every single Friday, and I'll see you in my next video.